Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be reviewing and talking about a beauty sponge. So Instylish emailed me and asked me if I wanted to review and test out one of their sponges, and I was like, yeah, because I only know of like the Beauty Blender, like Morphe sponges, like regular type, but this one is like different. Now I have it right here. And this is like, it's a microfiber sponge. Now you probably have seen this on YouTube, I'm sure, but I haven't used one at all. I've never tested one out. So it comes like, sorry it's so bright guys. By the way, I'm like, let's see, what time is it? It's 9:36 at night. I am just doing this video. I feel like I just had a rough day. I was so exhausted. And then I took one of my anxiety medicines, and normally that tends to make me sleepy. So then I was like extra sleepy, and I had to get stuff ready for my daughter's birthday party tomorrow. So I was like, oh my God. So I'm a little tired, but I wanted to make sure I made this video for you to show you what this sponge can do. If you can see it, it's got like, it feels velvety almost. You know, if you could see, I hope you could see not ridges, but how the texture is on the sponge. It's so soft. So they reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to review one of their sponges, and I was like, yes. So they had me pick from one, so I wanted to pick this one. They do have another one, and I'm pretty sure it's just like a regular sponge, but I wanted to try out this one with the microfiber, so wanted to see how it would go on with the foundation and concealer and everything like that. I'm going to leave all the links below for Instylish, like their, official website, their Instagram, and their Facebook. Okay, so this is called the Not Basic Microfiber Sponge. So it says, covered by a velvety soft microfiber outer layer, the microfiber sponge is made of dual layers, which creates a barrier allowing product to sit on top of the sponge rather than stick to the sponge. The new feature was designed to achieve full coverage using less product in less time. This sponge ensures impeccable streak-free application with minimum product waste. No matter the formula, liquid, cream, or powder, you're left with even velvety coverage. And it says the tapered end is for detailing, and the flat side is great for contouring with cream products. So the main reason for this type of sponge is that you're supposed to be able to use less product, like less foundation, less concealer, and stuff like that, because it doesn't sink into the sponge like a normal sponge would. Now, I'm not sure if you have to wet this. Pretty sure you do. So I'm going to wet it real quick and I'll be right back. Also, this video is not sponsored by Instylish, but they did give me a discount code for you guys if you want to try out their sponges and stuff and you want to save some cash. I'm all about that. I mean, I'm always looking for a discount. If I'm going to buy something, if someone has a code, I'm using it because it's going to save me money. So I'm always happy when anybody says that in a video. I'm like, yes, love saving money. I will put it here on the screen, and also I will leave it in the description box. So it's just Rachel10 and you get 10% off. So yes. So I wet my sponge and it did get bigger, and oh my God, it's like so bouncy and soft. Like I'm so excited. Like this just feels like it has more body than like a normal sponge. Like I don't even know how to explain it. Yeah, it got bigger for sure. And oh my gosh, this is just so nice. All right, enough from me saying it's nice and everything. We know that, Rachel. Okay, let's get into using this little guy. I'm gonna use one of my foundations. This is the Huda Beauty foundation. It's pretty full coverage. So I'm gonna see if I'm able to use less product than I normally do. I usually use about 2 pumps for this, but for this one, I'm just gonna use 1. Just like this. Okay. I didn't even bring a freaking mirror. Damn it. All right. Got my mirror. Okay. So let's just into this and see it really is just kind of sitting on top. So let's go in. So far it's looking really good. I look freaking crazy though, but it's looking good. I feel like I'm gonna have to go in with another pump. I mean, I guess I just have a big face, maybe, I don't know. So I'm gonna go in and finish up. Alright, so it's actually made my foundation go on really, really nice. This is good, okay. Alright. I like how it's looking on my skin. Normally this foundation can look super cakey, but I like the way this is like applying on my skin. It definitely looks more velvety like it says. Like it almost looks airbrushed. I feel like I still needed to use the same amount of pumps of foundation like I normally do, which is fine. All right. But the finish I really, really like. This thing is so soft, like you could boom, pounce it like hard on your face and it's freaking soft. So far, so good. Go with my concealer. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer. And then I'm gonna go in with that same side and just blend. Wow. I love this. There is no streakiness whatsoever. You know, sometimes you could use a sponge and like where you put your concealer or foundation, you could have like a line or whatever and you have to like go over it. But this just blended right with the foundation, nothing, no like blotchiness, streaking, or whatever. It is looking fabulous. Like, holy balls. Like, that's good. That is just flawless right there. I think I almost found my go-to sponge. So now I'm gonna see how it goes with powder. So I'm gonna use my normal Airspun powder. Gonna like grab some on the sponge. Okay, I look so ghostly right now. Alright, so I just have my foundation, concealer, and powder. I don't have any other products, no bronzer, nothing, so excuse the pastiness that's going on right now. It's like late at night, so I'm not about to get like full glam. Sorry, but save that for another video. So this is just about the sponge. So I just wanted to how it would do the powder and cream products. So this is what, excuse the acne, okay? Just ignore them. They like to show up unannounced. Okay. So, but yeah, it's like, it's looking so nice. I freaking love this. It applied so evenly and it really did look, I mean, it looks airbrushed. I always feel like mine's like it can sit on top of the skin and just look cakey. It's definitely very different than your normal sponge, obviously, because it's like that velvet texture. But oh my god, I just want to like put it on my face and just rub my face. It is so soft. Oh my god, this could be like a stress, like a stress ball or something. I could just be there and just be like, okay, I'm stressed, but I got something. It's calming me down. It is so nice. I would definitely give it a try. I don't see why not. What could it hurt, you know? This is my opinion on this. They didn't tell me to say anything. It's my own opinion. It's what I feel and how I like it, and I'm loving it. So please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when I upload. But I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So basically this sponge is so basically the usage, I don't even know if that was gonna be right. My code, I will link it. Okay, no. So squishy. Oh my god. Okay, I can't stop squishing it. I hope you enjoyed. I have an itch. Goodness. Right when I have my foundation on. Ugh. If you would like to try this. Oh my god, what is in my eyeball? Like, every time I blink, it's like blurry. Okay, now I'm good. This video, it was so fun to test out a new product. Like, something unique, honestly. I mean, who would have thunk it? Huh? Who would have thunk it? What? Goodness gracious, girl. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. What the fuck? Oh, that's my medicine.